So when it comes to rule-based trading, right? So a couple of things that we need to automate. What are the things that we are going to automate when it comes to rule-based trading? And rule-based trading, probably, my handwriting is pretty, rather I'll take a text to.
Your handwriting is pretty much okay. I mean, I have a lot of doctor friends around me, and I still understand what they write.
Anyways, okay. So I'll try with. So when it comes to rule-based trading, right? So we need to determine what symbol to trade. This we can even select based on rules, maybe using some sort of a scanners, we can do that. And second thing is like when to trade, what to trade, when to trade. Then the third one is how much to trade. So how much to trade. And the fourth one is how to execute. So this is what the primary things when you want to design your own trading strategy. So this can be done in two ways. One is we can do ranking, or we can also do some screening the stocks. We can use some screeners. When to trade, this is the actual trading logic. It's nothing but our indicators. So it's more of a trading indicators. Now on top of that, we write our rules, like when to enter, long entry, long exit. All these things can be, they are nothing but the rules which are built on top of the indicators. For example, let's say I'm having an MACD. If MACD is crossing above 0 and at the same time RSI is also showing momentum, let's say greater than 65, I want to enter into the longs. So that is my long entry rules. So likewise, when you want to exit, I want to exit only if the MACD is dropping down below 0. So that becomes a long exit over here. Likewise, we also, if in case we need a short entry or short exit, we can go with that. And how much to trade? It talks about position sizing. Now, as of now, I'm not touching this point, but this is one of the most important point when it comes to systematic trading. Whether you want to keep a constant position sizing, or when you want to keep on changing your position sizing, you want to apply dynamic position sizing. So those are additional points from here. And the most important thing is like, this is nothing but about trading logic. So the second point is all about trading logic over here. Right? Now, on top of the trading logic, we have something called execution logic. So the difference between trading logic and execution logic is like, it's like when to trade and how to trade. The difference is when to trade talks about logical conditions. As I said, MACD crossing 0 or RSI greater than 65, that kind of logical conditions, when to enter, when to exit. It talks about entry and exit. However, execution logic talks about what kind of orders you're going to submit, when you're going to submit. Am I going to submit when the signal is coming in? I'm going to submit the signals immediately, or let's say the signal is coming in. When you want to trade, you see the signal, immediately you want to trade the signal, or you wait for the candle to complete and then you want to take a trade, right? So that talks about execution logic. And we can also talk about like target, stop loss, and or you want to send trades with the bracket orders or cover orders. What kind of orders you want to send? Do you want to send a limit order? Right? All those things are possible with trading view kind of approaches. Both trading logic and execution logic is clearly possible. Irrespective of that, if you use any tool tomorrow, right? Let it be TradingView, let it be Ami Broker, let it be Ninja Trader, or let it be MetaTrader, or let it be MetaStock, the operations are going to be the same thing over here. Repeatedly over and again, it's going to be the same thing. So the core part itself lying with the trading logic, position sizing, and the execution logic.